Good morning. Important term and the definitions. So number first, the coordination entities are complex. So coordination entity are complex constitutes a central metal atoms and ion attached to the fixed number of ions are molecular ligands, that is called the ligands, called coordination entities. Coordination entities may be cationic if has a net charge positive, such as hexaamine, cobalt, chlorides, and anionic if have a negative charge like this, and electrically neutral like this. This is called the coordination entities. These complex generally called the coordination entities. Inside the bracket total, this formula is called coordination entities are the complex. Another term is central atom or ions. The cations are which one are more neutral molecules or anions are attached called central ions. Means the cation part which attach with one or more neutral molecules called the central atom. In these Cu central atoms, in these Fe central atoms, in this silver ion is central atom. So next is ligand. The ion are molecules found to central atoms are ion in the coordination entities are called ligands. The molecules attached, for example, this NH3 is ligand, Cl is ligand, and Cn is ligand. It is a ligands. It may be small molecules such as Cl, etc., H2O, NH3, larger molecules such as ethylene diamines, or even a macromolecule such as protein, etc. So, types of the ligands. On the basis of donation of the electrons, they are classified into unidentate, bidentate, and the polydentates. When the ligands, which can donate only one pair of the electrons and attach central metal atom through only one atom, known as a unidentate. For example, ammonia, waters, chloride and bromides, cyanides, hydroxide and nitrates, CO, etc. Bidentates ligand which have two donor atoms and attach with two position are called bidentates. For example, this both N attach with the central metal atoms. Ethane 1,2-diamines are ethylene diamines, and shortly it can be represented by the En. Another one is the oxalate, shortly represent OX. It is also the donate two pair of the electrons on the central metal atom. This indicate the coordinate bond to donate the electrons pairs. Another one is a polydentate. So ligand having more than two donor atoms present in the molecules are called polydentate ligands. This may be tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. So on the basis number of the donor atoms, they are called tetra, hexa, penta, etc. For examples, the it is hexadentate ligand EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraestic acid. Shortly is called the EDTA. N to N atom donate and O 4O. Therefore, total number of the 6 atoms donate the electron pairs. This is the structure of the ethylene diamine tetraestic acid EDTA. O O this O and 2N, total number of 6 position to donate the electrons. And another example is diethylene triamines. Generally in short it is called the diene. So it is the structure. Next one is 2,2,2 tripyridine. Tri. This is called the tri. So it is the polydentate ligands. Another term used in the coordination compound is chelate. So when the bidentate or a polydentate ligand is attached by two or the more donor atoms to the same central metal ions forming a ring, structure is called the chelating or the dentity, and as a result formation of complex is called the chelate. For example, this make a ring structure and many ions, many atoms can donate the electrons in single metal atom and make a ring structure. This is called the chelate complex. And the term used ambidentate ligand. So ligand which can attach two different atoms is called ambidentate ligand, such as NO2 ions. It coordinate either N or the oxygen, either nitrogen or oxygens. In this way, nitrato in when they attach with the N atoms, nitrogen atoms, this way, this is the central metal atoms. When this attach with the oxygens, donation of the electron by oxygens, nitrato O, this way. So similarly, SCNs, cyanido ions can coordinate through S or the N atom, sulfur or nitrogen atom. So thiocyanito or isothiocyanito when attached with the S in this way and when attached with the nitrogen atom in this way. So it is all about the some terms, and another can be explained later.